Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we are going to be doing an unboxing. This is going to be fun because I got up to get my knife of opening. I've took my reading glasses off somewhere and I don't know what I've done with them. I can't see them anywhere. So I'm struggling with my normal distance glasses, and we've got some card games. So we're looking at cards with small writing on them. Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see how this goes then. So we have two unboxings to do. The first one is the first game I got. It's an expansion for a game I've already got, and Roscoe is playing silly buggers once again. Bed. Good boy. Bed, go on. Go on. You want to play silly buggers? Go and play it somewhere else. Now. Bed. Okay, so as I said, we have an expansion for a game that I already have. Did the unboxing for the main game, and now it's time for the unboxing of Earth Abundance. I've had this game a while and I just haven't got around to doing the unboxing for it. Whenever I've started doing unboxing, something stopped me and I've had to leave it, so we're getting round to doing this now. So let's turn the box over. I'm not going to attempt to try and read anything. I'll just try and put things up on the screen so you can see it. It's not going to look good, I know, but hopefully you'll forgive me on this part, because yeah, as I say, I have not a clue where my reading glasses have gone. And all I did was walk out of here from one room into another and back, and I've been into both rooms, retraced my steps, and I still can't find anything. So here are the contents of the box. So let's open up and have a look. To say this is a little frustrating is an understatement. So we have these 5 cards. These fit on top of the normal playing deck, and these have the sprout storage and other things associated with the Abundance deck. And on the other side we have this. So this is vertical and probably goes to the side. I don't know what the difference is between the two, but there we are. We have 5 of those. I wish I knew where my glasses was and I could actually read it and explain a bit more. We have sprout cubes. We have treetops. We have tree stems. We have, oh, hang on, we have another one of these boards. So we have 6 of these altogether. This takes it up to a 6-player game. We have another score pad. We have more cards. We have the rule book, which is set out very similar to the Earth rule book, surprisingly enough. As I said, I cannot read a thing, everything is just blurred, but hopefully you get the idea. So there we are. We also have those with the solo mode. I can just about make out germinate, searchable card features. What I can make out, I will actually comment on. We have a 6th player board. This is the standard player board, and this thing goes at the top. Well, that's how I played it anyway when I played it a few weeks ago. And again, we have the nice image on the back. Then we have this board, which you see, it's this is for the team game. Team 1 over here, Team 2 here. And in this one it's Team 2 and Team 3. Team 1. I can't remember what the team thing was. But we'll find out at some point. Here we have more the currency in Earth. I cannot remember. This is soil. Sorry, soil. And I don't remember what these are, but these are your 6th player piece, and one of these tokens for going on the main board. I think this is. I cannot remember. Wish I knew what. Wish I could remember what these are. And I wish I could read, so I'd be able to tell you. But hey, I can't. Okay. What else do we have? Oh. This is actually glued to the bottom of the sheet. Now, bottom of the box. This must be all the backers. A list of all the backers for the Kickstarter campaign. And it doesn't stop there, it's double-sided. Oh dear. Didn't realise that was glued there. This is the achievement sheet. When the player meets or exceeds the conditions below, write their name next to the matching goal to mark their accomplishments. That's what it says up here. So there we go. That's the achievement sheet. It's only one-sided. So we'll stick those back in there. We'll stick that back in there. We'll stick those back in here. These can go back in as well as these. These are all exactly the same as the original Earth box. Same, excuse me, same with the score sheet. What we're really here to look at is the new cards. And I'm so sorry, but I cannot help much with looking at these. But what I will do is lower the camera. Oh dear. And then we can open up this deck of cards, because I wasn't trying to fight to find the bit that opens. Let's just do that. So Earth, as you know, is all to do with terrain, it's all to do with weather, it's to do with animals and plants. So let's have a look at these things first. So this is like a terrain thing, an ecosystem, and on the other side we have that. I'm not going through all of the cards. I'll just go through I'll go through a few, but we're not going through all of them. And when I've done this, I'm going to have another look for my glasses again and see if I can get it before I open the next box. There we go. So the green ones are the ecosystem. The brown ones are animals, as you can see. I'm not going, as I say, I'm not attempting to try and read anything because I'm struggling severely without my reading glasses. And this is climate, I think, if I remember rightly. It does say there, but I can't read it. It's just a blur. And it's pale on an orange background, and yeah, it makes it even more difficult. Excuse me. There we are. And then we have I can't remember what these ones are. It does say at the top, just there. I hope it's in focus, but I can't remember what they are. There we go. It could be terrain. I don't know. I really can't remember. If that's what it does say there, it was a guess on my part then. And then we have these. I think these are all the exact same. Yeah, I think these are player aid cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I think these are player aid cards. I'll pop that down there. And then we have the plant cards. So we have these. Looks like foxglove. I don't know whether it is or not. Oh, I can just about hold it at arm's length. I can just about make out foxgloves. So yeah, I'm not going to try and work out what everything is with this, but we're just going to go through a good few so you can see what there are. As I say, we're not going through all of them. There we go. Yep. So we have the plants there. And then we have these. I can't make out what it says underneath. I think it's terrain. Yeah, I think this is terrain. I don't know what the ones were in the other deck. There we go. There's lots of lovely pictures in this game. And then we have these, which are like event cards. And these can be played at any time during the course of the game, if I remember rightly. But there we are. Give you different events, different effects, but has a tendency of penalising your points wise. So that's it. That's it. That is Earth Abundance. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I do again apologise once more for my lack of reading glasses. As I say, I'm hoping I find them. I thought that was them around my neck, tucked into my shirt then, but it turns out it was just my necklace. Right, so as I say, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless and bye for now.